Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're doing a deep dive review of Clover OS, a custom ROM based on the brand new Android 16 running on our legendary Redmi Note 7 Pro. It's pretty incredible to see this device still getting support this far into the future. This specific build is currently running on the October 2025 security patch, so let's see if this ROM breathes new life into the Note 7 Pro. First things first, let's head into the settings and check out the software info. As you can see, we are officially rocking Android 16 here. It is smooth, it is fluid, and honestly, seeing that 16 logo on the Note 7 Pro feels surreal. Let me just tap on the version here to trigger the Easter egg. The animations are updated and distinct for this version of Android, showing just how far the development community has come in porting the latest software to this hardware. It's stable and the interface feels very modern. Now, let's talk about connectivity and privacy. Moving into the network settings, you'll find a dedicated section for private DNS. What's great about Clover OS is that it doesn't just give you a blank slate, it actually comes with several pre-configured DNS providers. This is super handy if you want to block ads system-wide or improve your privacy without having to manually type in hostname addresses. It's a small touch, but it saves a lot of time during the initial setup. Moving on to the apps settings, this is where Clover OS really starts to show its customization power. You get a fully functional game space to optimize performance while gaming, and a built-in AppLock, so you don't need third-party tools for privacy. There's also a very unique Allow Apps to Downgrade option, which is rare to see. But the highlight here for power users is the Play Integrity Fix option. You can actually set a custom PIF JSON file directly in the settings. This is a massive lifesaver for passing SafetyNet and getting banking apps to work, if you know your way around custom fingerprints. Let's talk about the endurance of this ROM, because this was the biggest surprise for me. I used to swear by Superior ROM when people asked for the best battery life, but I think the crown has officially been passed. Clover OS is currently the king of battery backup for this device. In my testing, I managed to get almost 7 hours and 15 minutes of screen on time. For a device of this age, that is absolutely phenomenal efficiency. If battery life is your top priority, this is the ROM you need to be looking at right now. Next up, let's look at the audio experience. If we head into the sound settings, you're going to see something that a lot of audiophiles will appreciate. This ROM comes with Dolby Atmos built right in. It's not just a toggle, you get the full interface to customize your sound profiles. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or gaming, the separation and clarity are noticeably better than stock. It really maximizes the output of the Note 7 Pro's speakers and makes headphone listening much more immersive. It's great to see this included natively rather than having to flash a separate module for it. Heading over to the display settings, we have all the essential gestures. You have your double tap to sleep on the status bar and double tap to wake the screen, which makes one-handed use much easier. But there's another hidden gem here, the option to remove screenshot restrictions. We all know those annoying apps that block you from taking screenshots for security reasons. Well, this feature bypasses that restriction entirely, allowing you to capture whatever you need on your screen without any blacked out images. Now let's look at the aesthetics in the Wallpaper and Styles section. Because this is Android 16, you're getting the latest UI refinements. The color palette generation based on your wallpaper is more vibrant and accurate than ever. On top of that, Clover OS has added a ton of custom font options. You aren't stuck with the default system font. You can really dial in the look of the text to match your personal style, making the phone feel truly yours. For device security, it's good to report that the basics are all working perfectly. You have your standard screen lock options, but you also have Face Unlock available. I've tested it in various lighting conditions, and it's snappy and reliable. It unlocks the phone almost instantly, so you don't have to rely solely on the fingerprint scanner if you prefer a touchless unlock experience. Pulling down the notification panel, the layout is clean, adhering to the new Android 16 design language. However, I want to highlight one specific toggle here. Display dimming, or extra dim. Some custom ROMs actually leave this out, but it's here on Clover OS. This is essential for using your phone at night so you don't burn your retinas. It lowers the brightness beyond the minimum hardware limit, making nighttime reading much more comfortable. Of course, we have to talk about raw performance. I ran a few benchmarks to see how the Note 7 Pro holds up on this software. In the CPU benchmark, we scored 647 on the single-core test and 1674 on the multi-core test. These are respectable numbers for the Snapdragon 675 in 2025. It handles daily tasks, social media scrolling, and light multitasking without any major stutters or lag. Finally, we need to address the elephant in the room, SafetyNet. Unfortunately, out of the box, SafetyNet fails. This happens both with and without root access initially. It's not a deal breaker, but it does mean that you'll have to put in a little work. You'll likely need to flash some Magisk modules or utilize that custom JSON feature I mentioned earlier to get everything passing green. Once you do that, banking apps should work fine, but just be aware it doesn't pass by default. So, that is my review of Clover OS based on Android 16. It offers incredible battery life, great sound with Dolby, and the latest Android features, though it does require a bit of tinkering for SafetyNet. If you enjoyed this review, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on the Redmi Note 7 Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.